Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever seen a cool painting and wished you could see a photo of a loved one in that exact artistic style? Or maybe you've used a face-swapping app and noticed it only really works with other realistic photos. Well, getting an AI to understand the difference between who a person is, their expression, and the art style of an image is incredibly difficult. Usually, if you try to change the style to something abstract like a sketch or a painting, the AI gets confused and the person's face starts to look weird or not like them at all. Previous technologies often required massive, specially curated datasets, like having pictures of the same person in hundreds of different art styles, which is almost impossible to create. But a new research paper introduces a method called StyleYourSmile that tackles this exact problem. As you can see here, it's designed for cross-domain face retargeting. In simple terms, it can take one person's face from a source image and then retarget their expression onto a different pose, all while adopting a completely new artistic style. The really clever part is how it learns to separate the essential features of a person's identity from the stylistic elements of the image, like brush strokes or color palettes. It does this using a smart training strategy that doesn't require those special, hard-to-find datasets I mentioned earlier. Instead, it takes regular videos and uses another AI technique to automatically create stylized versions to train on, making the whole process much more efficient. Now, let's look at some of the stunning results. Here on page 7, you can see a comparison with other state-of-the-art methods. The source column is the original person's identity and style we want to keep. The target column shows the new expression and pose we want to copy. The R's column shows the StyleYourSmile result, and it does a fantastic job of preserving both the person's unique facial features and the original artistic feel. Notice how other methods like Arc 2Face or Rome either lose the artistic style or fail to capture the person's identity accurately. Here on page 14, we can see even more examples on a different dataset. Again, notice how StyleYourSmile consistently maintains the person's likeness while flawlessly transferring the expression from the target image. Whether it's a painting, a sketch, or a black and white photo, the system adapts beautifully. So, to recap, the key breakthrough of StyleYourSmile is its ability to work with just a single image, to handle a wide range of artistic styles, and to separate a person's identity from the image's style. This is a big deal because it successfully disentangles three key things: who someone is, what expression they're making, and the overall art style. So, what could this mean for the future? Imagine movie production where you could easily turn live-action actors into animated characters that perfectly mimic their performance. Or think about creative tools for artists and photographers, allowing them to instantly apply any style to a portrait with just a click. It could even lead to next-generation avatars for virtual reality that are both highly personalized and artistically expressive. While the researchers correctly mention the need to consider ethical implications to prevent misuse, the creative potential is enormous. This is a significant step towards AI that understands and manipulates images with the nuance of a human artist. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.